Smart foreheads, printer head, cupping, head clean, nozzle test. Dito naman ang ground wire, ABR, ink tank, ink system, waste tank, unused supplies. Dito naman ang stocks at unused namin. Sa consumable, ito po ang nagamit namin 1.55 roll, Apijet ink, yellow, magenta, cyan, at black. Ang 874 meters naman na run last week. Winter daily checklist.